If you're looking for white finish wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 white finish wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Utopia Ali. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Black Duck brand. Number 3, by Cooper Classics. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Wonderland Home. Number 5, by Things to Die For. Find these white finish wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Nikky Home. Number 7, by Things to Die For. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Sanyo. Number 9, by Highland Graphics. Discover more white finish wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Sinclair.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.